I'm doing this video for the Dormtainment cop story video. I think it happened like 2009, 2010-ish. I just got off of work and I was happy that I finally got some money. I got all the money I needed to take care of something that I've been saving up for a long time. I was doing something wrong to get to work, but I needed to get to work so I can get this money to wrong or right. So I finally got all the money I needed from that night of work when I cashed my check. I'm driving home. My homeboy calls me up. He's like, yo, I hear there's a party going out this neighborhood. You think you can check out, let me know if it's still going on so I know if I need to roll out or not. And I figure, why not? It's on the way home. So, went out there, checked it out, didn't see nothing was going on. I'm getting ready to leave out the neighborhood and I notice there's a cop car following me. I mean, I turned left with my left turn signal on. He turned left. Turned right, he turned right. So I'm thinking, okay, I'm being followed. At this point, I'm getting paranoid because my license was suspended and expired. Why was I driving on a suspended license? It was the only way I get to work, to get the money, to pay the fee. So, then I took another left, turned his lights on. I always say a good prayer. Now, when he turned his lights on, I was nervous. Like, my mind kind of went to kind of like like, oh man, my license suspended. I'm gonna go to jail. I'm going to jail tonight. And before he came to the car, I did what I always do when the cops pull me over. I said me a good old prayer. Comes to the car, getting ready to take my license. I figure I'm getting ready to go to jail. And he asked for my license registration. And as I'm getting ready to hand him my license registration, I'm like, wait a minute. I know I didn't have no tail light out. I know I didn't have no turn signal out. My music wasn't too loud. My windows were rolled down low. I was doing the speed limit. I'm thinking, what did I do? So I asked the cop, sir, what did you pull me over for? Honest to God, this is what the officer told me he pulled me over for. You look lost. He pulled me over because he said I looked lost. Gave him my license. He went to the car, ran everything, and I'm looking at him walking back, and then I'm like, all right, he's coming to arrest me.
So nigga, you better stop that bitch off and everything.
Go to jail.
Came into the car, and he's like, Mr. Lacey, your license is suspended. But this was the first thing that came out my mouth.
No, it's not.
He said, yes, sir, your license is suspended. And I said again,
It's not.
he said, our system shows that your license has been suspended. And I said, suspended. And I said, well, what is it suspended for then? He said, I don't know. I'll go check. And I say, well, go check because it's not supposed to be suspended, which it won't. Had I did the right thing when it got suspended, so I won't tell him that. Comes back again, he says, well, our system doesn't tell us why it's suspended, it just says suspended. And I say, well, sir, then your system's messed up because it should be able to tell you why my license is suspended. If it doesn't tell you why, then it's not suspended. And he's like, well, I'm not supposed to let you drive away, but I'm gonna let you drive away and just give you a ticket for driving a suspended license. I said, okay. Took the ticket, drove off, had a good night. Coincidentally, that ticket, I guess, got dropped because I didn't have to pay a fine. It didn't come up in the system because I think, for one, he would have gotten in trouble for not arresting me. And for two, if we would have went to court, they would have said, well, what was your proper cause for pulling him over in the first place? And I don't think he looked lost would have stood up too well in court. So that's the first one. Second one's real quick and easy. I just got my car. I got it in March of 2012. And I asked the dealership about the tents on the car. I said, are these tents legal? He said, yeah, pass inspection. I'm like, sir, tents have nothing to do with an inspection. I need to know if these tents are legal because I am a young black man. So I need to know if these tents are legal because I don't like getting pulled over. He said, the tents are legal. If they're not legal, then bring the car back and we'll pay to remove the tents. Never offered to pay for the ticket though. So I get pulled over on New Year's Eve of 2012. Get pulled over by a lady cop. So I just rolled down my window. Lady come up to the car and I said, hey, how's it going? Did I do something wrong? She said, I pulled you over because your tent seems too dark. And I was like, well, if you need a measure, go ahead. The dealership told me it was legal. I couldn't tell, so here's my license registration. If you want to go ahead and measure, go ahead and measure it. She said, okay, that's fine. So she goes back to the car, gets a little measuring thing, whatever. And while she's at the car, I'm texting. I got my hands in my lap. I'm just texting. And she's walking back while I'm texting. And I guess she felt paranoid because she couldn't see my hands. So next thing I know, I hear this lady cop screaming as she's reaching for a gun, "Show me your hands, I can't see your hands." So I just immediately just throw my hands up. And this lady was reaching for a gun the whole time and said, "From now on, don't let your hands leave the wheel." She's like, "It's for my own protection." I'm unarmed. I said my hands were in my lap. I didn't even see it. My back was facing her. I said, "What protection?" And she seen nobody. I was in the car and she pulled me over. Good Lord. Almost got shot by a lady cop. Oh, man.
And after we got done, I said, "Lady, what's your number?" She said, "911."